Hello everyone. Now let's introduce our chili dry washing machine. Chili dry washing machine. Why we call it dry washing? Because it's without water. If with water, that means we call it wet washing machine. But it's without water. It's by air cleaning. So we call it dry washing machine. How this machine working? Firstly, here is the feeding hole. Here is the feeding hole. The raw material, the whole chili will feeding from here to inside this machine, and will coming out from this end. This is after cleaning. After cleaning, the chili will coming from this mouth, and this is one induced fan to suck the dust and impurities, light impurities. By this fan to suck, and here we're connecting with one closed bag. Then the impurity and dust will collect it by this bag. Now let's see inside how it works.